Hello, future explorers. My name is Dr. Dawn Souflaris. I am the Vice President for Student Affairs and Enrollment Management here at LaSalle. Many students call me Dr. S. We are very, very excited that you will be hopefully joining us in the fall. LaSalle is an amazing, amazing university, and I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about student engagement. In my job, I oversee the process from admissions to graduation and all of the clubs, organizations, residential living, health, wellness, financial aid, and all of the things that happen outside the classroom while you are a student at LaSalle. From the over 100 clubs that we have on campus to a very vibrant Greek fraternity and sorority life here, to having living learning communities. And if you don't know what those are, you have an opportunity to live with people who have some similar interests in residence halls that have some specific amenities that are focused on your interests. And I urge you to take a look at what those would be like and potentially for you to live in one. To even having a dog-friendly residence hall on campus. And you may not know this, but we are the only university that has dogs that live in a particular residence hall that you can bring with you, your pet, if you would like to, while you are a student at LaSalle, and we're very proud of that. Our service opportunities are really undeniably one of the things we're most proud of. Our students serve the community in Germantown, where we're located, in Philadelphia, within the city, to all over the world. And we have students that take trips locally, nationally, and worldwide to assist those who may need help with houses. We have Habitat for Humanity. We have students that go and teach English or help out in schools throughout the world that need some extra assistance. And that we are very proud that most of our students participate in some kind of service opportunity, and we hope that you will do the same when you join us in the fall. But there's something about LaSalle that I want to mention, and it's something that I always call the LaSalle vibe. It is something that I, in my professional experience, have never felt at another university. There is a feeling at LaSalle that our students, our faculty, and staff all feel when they are here. It's about being family. It's about being a community that cares, a community that we say by association, that we are together in all that we do. We are always looking to help one another. And I have many students tell me that they chose to come to LaSalle because it felt like home. And that's the feeling that we hope that you have when you visit us. And I hope that visits happen very soon, given the world the way it is right now. But we can't wait for you to come and see our campus again if you haven't, or if you haven't yet, that you will come and see us. But that feeling that you are in a community that cares. In fact, we call it explorers care, because explorers do care. They care about each other every day. The nice thing about LaSalle, too, is that while you are in the city of Philadelphia, one of the greatest cities in the United States, we are like our own park-like setting in the city, so you can feel that there is a lot of green space and opportunity to be outside and socialize and have recreation, but then also are close to just all of the cultural and exciting amenities that Philadelphia has to offer, potentially not too far from your homes. So with that being said, I look forward to meeting you when you come this summer or you come in the fall as a new student. I'm always available if you have any questions. I'm easy to find on our website. And I hope that you'll take advantage of all of the videos that our faculty, staff, and students have put together to give you a sense of what it is to be part of our LaSalle family. Good luck, and look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.